Over the years, I have met inspiring law firm leaders who have earned the respect, the admiration, and the loyalty of many, not by trying to follow some fantasy of a traditional leader, but rather by having the courage to be exactly what they are. Individuals who naturally guide others through the planned and the unexpected alike, all the while building shared purpose, standing up for common vision and values, acknowledging their personal strengths and weaknesses, professional fails and wins, and comfortably asking for help or for information when they need it. So what's involved in becoming an authentic leader? Let's look at 3 key aspects: telling, thinking, and walking. Learn to tell your story. Have you ever been amazed by the extent to which people are moved by a transformation tale? Find a way to use your journey to make yourself engaging and approachable. In doing so, you will invite others to open up to you. Learn to be a thought leader. Use your voice and your position to do something bold in service of a cause that is meaningful to you. Not everyone will agree or understand, but those that do will be powerfully connected to you over the long term. And learn to walk your talk. So if you say that you care about developing the lawyers at your firm, support their career paths. Ask them about their aspirations and offer to help. If you say that you believe in diversity, investigate and foster methods of disrupting bias to improve hiring, training, and promoting processes. Whether it's your firm or the greater community that you're focused on leading, people will want to know that you excel at your field. But that alone will not be enough for them to learn to trust you. And trust is the most important factor when it comes to earning the right to influence. You don't always have to be perfectly poised. Nobody buys the myth that you're a superhuman. Great leaders are real and relatable. That is how they inspire greatness in others. So be yourself and you will go further. To discuss how we can develop a coaching program to build and enhance your law firm, book an initial consultation today.